What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the Windows 11 login password and lock screen. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Search for Sign In options in your Windows Start menu and hit Enter to open up your Windows Sign In settings window. Under Additional Settings on this window, disable the "If you have been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again" option. Next, head to the Start menu and search for CMD. Make sure to open your command prompt as an administrator. Use this command. You can copy it from the video description below. Upon hitting Enter, you will get a "The operation completed successfully" message, and you must restart your PC to implement the changes properly. Lastly, after restarting your PC, type netplwiz in the Start menu and hit Enter to open the User Accounts window. Under the icon image, you can see the "User must enter a username and password to use this computer" checkbox. Uncheck it, hit Apply, and then click OK. In the pop-up window, enter your current password, and there you go. The Windows 11 login password and lock screen will be disabled until you revert these changes. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.